Hi dear students, we are starting to a new chapter, Shapes and Geometric Reasoning, and the first video about parallel lines. Before starting to parallel lines, I want to remind about something. Firstly, if we draw here the parallel lines here, if we draw two lines which are intersecting to each other, we will get in the plane four angles. Each of them here, they are called angle. This is angle, also this is angle, and these two, they are called vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. This angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite, and these two angles also here, this angle here, this angle, and this one also, they are vertically opposite angles. They are called. So when you draw two lines which are intersecting with each other, you are getting four angles, and these are here. What are they? They are vertically opposite angles, and we need to remember that vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. What does it mean? If I say that this is x degree, this is also x degree, here it's going to be, and if I say this is y degree, this is also going to be y degree. And one more extra information here that we need to remind: x degree plus y degree, it's going to be equal to always 180 degree. This is from previous years. Okay, let's continue with corresponding angles. First, for the corresponding angles, we should get parallel lines. Here I'm going to draw two parallel lines. I want to draw two parallel lines here. This is the first line and this is the second line. And when they are not connecting to each other, when they never touch to each other, they are called parallel lines. These two lines, they cannot touch to each other. And I'm going to draw one line here, and this line is called transversal line. The third line is called transversal line. And this line divides the plane into 8 angles now. And we are going to try to name these angles. The first one, corresponding angles. First are corresponding angles. Here, as you see, there are 8 angles, because when two parallel lines intersect, there are 8 angles, and here the names of the 8 angles we are going to try to understand. Okay, the first one is corresponding angles. I said before, here corresponding angles are the same position at each intersection. Here, it's looking to this side, and this angle is looking to this side. Sorry, I forgot to tell here something also. These two lines are parallel, and we are understanding that they are parallel from these arrows. When you see these arrows, it means that these two lines, they are parallel to each other. So these two angles are corresponding angles, and they are equal to each other also. Here, this one and this one, they are looking to same side. This one and this one, they are looking to same side. This one and this one, they are looking to same side. So corresponding angles, they are equal to each other. We are going to understand that one here. Okay, this is the second one. Alternate angles. Alternate angles here, these two, they are looking to interior side. So here, when we draw the parallel lines, again, I'm going to draw two parallel lines here. Let's say this one is the parallel line. These two, they are parallel lines. And here, this side is interior region, and this is exterior region, and this is also exterior region. Here you may continue till infinity here. So these are interior angles, and these are exterior angles. Also, alternate interior angles, they are How they are alternate angles? One of them is looking to this side and the other one is looking to that side, and they are alternate angles. Here these two, they are alternate angles. These two, they are alternate angles, but they are exterior angles, and these two, they are alternate angles and they are exterior angles. And the last sentence here, which is important, alternate angles are equal to each other. Alternate interior angles or alternate exterior angles, they are equal to each other. We can prove that one, but it is not our subject now. Okay, let's continue with some exercises to understand the subject better. Here, firstly, you need to remember how to name the angle. I'm going to put the points to the here to the letters. Here, the one of them is B, then the other one is M, the other one is N. So this angle here, made by these letters, I'm not talking about this one. Here, I'm talking about this one with respect to name of the letter is important here. Here, this angle is BMN angle. I'm not talking about this one. This is not BMN angle. We are starting to side from B, then we are coming to M side. Okay, let's continue with the BMN angle. I'm sorry. Firstly, let me read the question. The diagram shows parallel lines AB and CD. Line EF cross at them at M and N. Here, this one, these are the intersection points. Angle DNF is 105 degree. Find the values of them. So firstly, I want to tell that BMN and DNF, BMN and DNF, they are equal to each other. They are equal to each other, DNF. They are equal to each other because they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. So it means that BMN is equal to 105 degree. Then second angle is coming. CNM. C, N, then M. So we're talking about this angle. C, N, M angle. It is equal to also D and F because it is both of them. This angle, imagine this angle, this is 105 degree and this angle is 105 degree DNF because they are vertical angles. And I said that vertical angles, they are equal to each other. And the last one, AME. AME here. DNF. DNF is equal to also AME because they are alternate exterior angles. And we know that alternate exterior angles, they are equal to each other in parallel lines. So here I forget to write the C and M is equal to 105 degree and AME is equal to 108 degree, 105 degree, I'm sorry. Okay, let's continue with the second exercise here. AC and PR are parallel lines, as you see here, the arrows we are understanding, and ABQ is 47 degree. We'll write down the BQR and QBC. BQR. Here I'm talking about this angle. BQR. I'm talking about this angle. BQR and A, B, Q, they are equal to each other because they're alternate interior angles. I'm going to write shortly. So this is equal to 47 degree. And we know that BQR is equal to 47 degree. Okay, the second one. Here, QBC, Q, B, and C. QBC. Actually, we don't know the equal angle, but we know this one. If I name like QBC, if it's equal to, let's say, X here. If I name X plus 47, I know that it's going to be equal to 180 degree. So they complete each other to 180 degree because this point is B is on the straight line actually, and ABQ plus QBC, it should be equal to 180 degree. So X is equal to 180 minus 47, it's going to be, which is equal to, X is equal to 180 minus 47 is 133 degree going to be.